Hey friends, so this shirt is what happens when you play with your food. Okay, so it all started with me eating these disgusting purple frosting cupcakes. I ended up scraping out the frosting with that wet napkin and it bled through. So I was like, let's tie-dye a shirt with some cupcake frosting. So I did what you would typically do with any tie-dye project. Is to go through all the necessary steps. I soaked the shirt first, and then I got a little messy and started smearing it all over the shirt, and then I let it set for 24 hours. I really thought the shirt was gonna turn out purple, and then when I started mixing it in the water started turning blue. So I was like, maybe it's gonna be blue, and no, this is what I got. I got pink. So I guess I'll take that.